Get difference between two lists. I have two lists in Python. I want to create a third list with items from the first list which aren't in the second list. Are there any fast ways without cycles and checking?
To get elements which are in temp1 but not in temp2, assuming uniqueness of the elements in each list. Beware that it is asymmetric. Where you might expect /1 to equal set1, 3. If you do want set1, 3 as your answer, you can use set1, 2, .symmetric _ difference set2, 3.
The existing solutions all offer either one or the other of faster than ONN performance, preserve order of input list. But so far no solution has both. If you want both, try this. Performance test. Results. The method I presented as well as preserving order is also slightly faster than the set subtraction because it doesn't require construction of an unnecessary set. The performance difference would be more noticeable if the first list is considerably longer than the second and if hashing is expensive. Here's a second test demonstrating this. Results.
Can be done using Python XOR operator. This will remove the duplicates in each list. This will show difference of temp1 from temp2 and temp2 from temp1. You could use list comprehension.
이 기호감 두 신호를 대학교 건식을 skriving.